Normal English versus Advanced English. I'm tired. I'm utterly exhausted. I'm hungry. I'm famished. I'm busy. I'm swamped with work. I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm happy. I'm overjoyed. I'm sad. I'm devastated. I'm worried. I'm concerned. I'm excited. I'm thrilled. I'm angry. I'm furious. I'm surprised. I'm astonished. I'm bored. I'm uninterested. I'm cold. I'm freezing. I'm hot. I'm sweltering. I'm confused. I'm perplexed. I'm fine. I'm doing well. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm lucky. I'm fortunate. I'm thirsty. I'm parched. I'm hurt. I'm wounded. I'm lonely. I'm isolated. I'm ready. I'm fully prepared. I'm in a hurry. I'm pressed for time. I'm waiting. I'm anticipating. I'm healthy. I'm in great shape. I'm sleepy. I'm drowsy. I'm nervous. I'm anxious. I'm calm. I'm composed. I'm rich. I'm wealthy. I'm poor. I'm impoverished. I'm sure. I'm certain. I'm late. I'm delayed. I'm early. I'm ahead of schedule. I'm full. I'm stuffed. I'm thin. I'm slender. I'm fat. I'm overweight. I'm strong. I'm powerful. I'm weak. I'm fragile. I'm careful. I'm cautious. I'm careless. I'm negligent. I'm young. I'm youthful. I'm old. I'm elderly. I'm shy. I'm reserved. I'm friendly. I'm amiable. I'm serious. I'm solemn. I'm smart. I'm intelligent. I'm doubtful. I'm skeptical. I'm shocked. I'm stunned. I'm confident. I'm self-assured. I'm jealous. I'm envious. I'm in love. I'm deeply in love. I'm here. I've arrived. I'm leaving. I'm departing. I'm done. I've completed it. I'm cleaning. I'm tidying up. I'm talking. I'm conversing. I'm reading. I'm immersed in reading. I'm listening. I'm attentively listening. I'm watching. I'm observing. I'm helping. I'm assisting. I'm teaching. I'm educating.